Welcome to this video about the use of a 3D printer. In this video, we will show you how to get started with your first print. We will also talk about some problems that may occur when printing. In the description of the video, you can also find timestamps to certain points of the video. With that said, let's get started. Select change. If the printhead has heated, the printer will pull the filament out on its own. If the material doesn't come out on its own, or partially, press abort and ask someone for help in the office. After the material has come out, select PLA and ask someone in the office for a new roll of filament. Cut the new roll of filament diagonally. Make sure there aren't any nicks or bends in the filament. Stick the new roll of filament on the back and put the end of the filament in the bottom of the feeder until it catches. Press continue when you can see the material in the tube. If the material isn't moving or not extruding, ask someone authorized for help. Once material has begun extruding, press continue. Printing can now be resumed. With the move feature, you can manually move the material. With this feature, we will demonstrate what happens during retraction. With the retraction feature, the printer removes tension from the material. Thanks to this, we can prevent clogging from occurring in the printhead. Once you have a drive placed in the printer, you can select what you want to print under the menu Print. The printer will now begin on its own. We recommend you wait for the printer to finish the first layer, because the biggest chance of an error is at the start. If something does go wrong, press abort and ask someone authorized at the office for help. The best thing to do is to let the print bed cool off completely. This way, removing the printed object will be the easiest. If the object does not come off, take the print bed off of the printer and place it on a smooth surface. This way, you can lightly scrape the brim off with a scraper, and try to gently pry it off that way. If the print bed is dirty, you can clean it off with water and soap. After this, you can apply hairspray and put it back in the printer. Here are some examples of wrong prints. If this happens, ask an authorized person for help.